Smith County, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Millstone River at Blackwell's Mills. From late tonight until further notice, or until the warning is canceled. At 7:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 5.4 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight, and continue to rise to near 13.3 feet by tomorrow evening. Impact: at 13.0 feet, Washington Street and several businesses are flooded.